Is it true, Mr. Limonov, that there is only one thing you can write about, and that is yourself?
Madness is about to begin. Revolution is what we need.
I'm for the Reds, the Blacks, the gays, Arabs, Puerto Ricans. I'm for the ones who have nothing to lose.
Eddie, Russian authors are in vogue in the US right now.
America's being freed, and I, Eddie, lead the march, and everyone loves me.
Come on. I'm destined to be someone else. The whole world will be at my feet.
I'm either getting famous or assassinated.
You are a natural-born hero. Don't you forget it. It's your destiny.
You know what the problem is? Eddie. All he wants to do is fuck everything. Women, men, himself. Guess what? I'm the man! Who's the man? I'm the man! Who's the man?
Do you know what's gonna turn you into a great writer? Prison.
Shoot, Eddie. If you get out now, your picture will be in every newspaper.
They call me an extremist, a fascist. But you know that that is not true.